pounds of ground beef, green onions, soy sauce, salt, pepper, and water chestnuts, and a wrap. First, let's chop up some onions. Chestnuts into small pieces. In a diamond shape on your plate. Then you take a spoon and make it into a thin log like this. And then you roll it. Then you dip your two fingers in the egg and spread it on the side over here. Fold it to the side. Dip your two fingers again and spread it at the other side. Then do it again. And then dip your fingers in the egg again. But this time you have to put it at the top. And then roll it. Make sure it is tight. Ta-da! Now go ahead and fry them. Kain na. Sarap! So good.